Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. We have prices lower pretty much across the board. Again, I think this is some profit taking, month in, year in, profit taking in the grain markets. We reached some price levels in soybeans, soybean meal, corn, and especially wheat that triggered some of this long liquidation. In the wheat market, I think the market saw yesterday some talk about maybe Russia selling wheat to China and maybe even Algeria. The Egyptian tender is going to be critical to see who sells that Egyptian tender for Feb-March because right now French prices are the cheapest, but the word that Russia might do the Algeria and China tender activity weighed on the marketplace. As far as weather is concerned, it looks like for the first week that parts of Paraguay, Paraná, and Mato Grosso is going to see somewhere between a quarter and maybe as much as an inch of rain. Rio Grande do Sul will miss this rain. There's also a few showers that might occur after that in the same areas, but again, Rio Grande do Sul might miss those rains. For the most part, light showers in Argentina, but the northern and eastern areas will again turn drier. Long rain maps show dryness to continue in Rio Grande do Sul. We did see some people bringing down their estimates of soybean production in South America, similar to last year and below USDA's numbers. Also bringing the corn numbers in South America down anywhere from 4 to 5 million metric tons. So we'll see if that is realized and if that helps demand for U.S. beans or corn. China continues to be absent from the U.S. soybean market, which offers resistance. Domestic bean basis to the processors and corn basis to the processors continues to be strong on strong demand. We also note that Europe is warm and wet, and there's more snow forecasted for Russia. So some of the selling that occurred in the wheat market also was on improved conditions in Russia. We'll be watching ethanol data today, suggesting higher production, higher demand than what the USDA is using currently, and then we get export sales tomorrow. Looking at the January soybean deliveries, it could be as much as 500 contracts delivered. We need about 16-cent carry in the spread for the not to see deliveries. Outside markets, still more talk about the Omicron virus spreading quickly, but maybe weaker than the Delta virus. We're also watching the Fed on whether or not they're going to be tapering and whether or not they will start increasing rates in 2022, and if that's enough to stop the bull rally in the stock market. So in general, got commodities mostly lower today, stock market a little bit higher, and we'll see how the money flows into month end and year end. As always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day. And remember, always treat people like you yourself would like to be treated.